Yeah.
Jesus, Jesus, talk to me. Jesus, Jesus, talk to me.
Come on.
Jesus, 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 Jesus.
Come on. God showed me the way. Now the devil can't break me down. Yeah. Between the girls and the jewelry, the devil trying to view of me. Jesus walks with me. My pastor shaking his head, he ain't sure of me, but surely Jesus walks with me. Then he asked, do you say your prayers at least 2 a week? I ain't talking to God, I know what I've been doing, G. Do you know how I be? Sound like Ben Stiller's on Meet the Parents, and I ain't good what they give us this day. The slaves is trying to give us free, I'm trying to give us a pay. Man, you know how them strippers was. We was all getting fabulous, all at the rooms at the cigarettes. From this jacuzzi ride, can you cleanse us? Can you please afford my Cartier lenses? God sends signs, sometimes only in glimpses. For me, I almost died, falling asleep in them Benzes. There's something about this beat that get me tranquilized, and when I play it at my shows, I feel sanctified. And he gives me direction when I can't decide. He is alive. How could you tell me that he ain't when I said God showed me the way, now the devil can't break me down. The only thing that I pray is that my feet come now. And now I think there's something I can say now that I write my wrongs. I finally talk to God, I ain't afraid, 'cause his love is so strong.
White love, take my blood, take my life, feel my guilt, feel my hurt, feel my bruises. If you were walking my shoes, you wouldn't feel it. I was a deep thought when I had no choice. Still hit me with the evening rock, but I'm a true teller. That's why I say what I'm saying. All the thing the radio playing is cause you was paying. It ain't about who really hot no more. Beats would knock no more. So who cares? Who block no more? I realize that most ladies thank you for lies, and all the Lord do is get in the sky. That is the artist. I know you hear that, huh? You know you feel that, huh? The way you feel is the key. And more raised. With me, it's not just bars and music. I walk with God, I got the scars to prove it.
God showed me the way, now the devil can't break me down. The only thing that I pray is that my feet come now.
Everybody out there, just lift your hands right now and just say this with me. Father, I thank you for forgiving me of everything I ever done, for Jesus walking with me, for dying for me, raising for me, and all my sins have been forgiven. I'm healed, I'm delivered, I'm rich, and it's all because of Him. Now walk with me, walk with me, walk with me, walk with me.
With me.